Alright, so this is going to be a short lesson on photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis is the process where plants absorb sunlight and convert water and carbon dioxide into both sugar and oxygen gas. So, the main process of what is happening during photosynthesis is we're taking light energy and we're converting that light energy into chemical energy. Cool. So this requires a couple of ingredients in order to start. So the first thing that we need for our photosynthesis to work is water. This is the water that is absorbed through the roots and then transported through the xylem up the stem to the leaf. What we also need is something called carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide has gotten a bit of a bad rep in recent years due to things like climate change and global warming because it is a greenhouse gas. However, it is also needed and required for photosynthesis to work. So a little bit of carbon dioxide is good, too much of it, not so much. And third, we need light. Right? Specifically, light from the sun. Now, leaves are green, which means that they reflect green light, but it also means that they must absorb red and blue light. So, specifically, the parts of the sun spectrum that the leaves are going to be absorbing is blue light, and let's go for nice red and red light. So we can actually grow plants and various crops underneath both green and blue or purple lights artificially. So we can combine water, carbon dioxide, and we use the energy from sunlight to produce sugar. Right, specifically this type of sugar is going to be glucose, which is represented by the chemical formula C6H12O6. So it's quite a large molecule. It's got 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens all put together. It's rather large, and the sugar name is glucose. Right? But we also produce something else when we do our photosynthesis. We're also producing another thing. This is a gas called oxygen. Right? And this is quite important for us to breathe because we need to convert oxygen gas and sugar into energy so we can actually survive. This is the process of respiration. In fact, photosynthesis is pretty much the opposite process of respiration, where respiration takes sugar or food plus oxygen gas and converts that into energy, water, and carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis is the opposite reaction. So we're taking water plus carbon dioxide and we're using light or absorbing energy from the sunlight and using that energy to convert those molecules, break them down, and make sugar and oxygen gas.